Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to find linked devices on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings. From here, you'll see various options related to your Signal account. Tap on Linked Devices. This is where Signal displays all the devices that are currently connected to your account, giving you full visibility and control over where your messages are accessible. Now, look for the section labeled My Linked Devices. This is the central hub where you can monitor every computer, tablet, or other device that's been authorized to access your Signal account. Although I don't have any linked devices right now, you'll see a list of computers or other devices currently linked to your Signal account displayed here when you have them connected. This feature is particularly important for security purposes because it allows you to keep track of every device that has access to your private conversations. If you ever see a device you don't recognize in this list, that could indicate unauthorized access to your account. In that case, simply tap on the unfamiliar device and choose Unlink. This immediately disconnects that device from your Signal account and prevents it from accessing your messages going forward. Regularly checking your linked devices is a smart security practice that helps you maintain control over your private communications and ensures that only your trusted devices have access to your Signal account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.